if you're wanting to start all the way over, that's going to be the move, is just getting everything down to that point, because otherwise you're going to be kind of constantly covering up things, and that's possible. But the problem that you're going to run into is the drastic difference in length.
Exactly.
That short is always going to grab a hold of that long, create a lot of knots that you're going to wind up breaking, and that short patch is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger over time.
Exactly. That's why I just wanted to like have everything at an even length. Like I want everyone to have a fair chance. Every strand.
Every strand.
Fair chance.
Gotcha. We have a ton of breakage here. Let me get a mirror for you. That is breakage that has been happening, and I'm assuming that that has spread because of the severe difference in length. So what we're doing is we're doing a big old reset, because like you were saying, this hasn't been getting treated right anyways. You just kind of been stashing it for forever. Really long stretch styles and stuff like that, sew-ins and stuff. So we're just going to be knocking it down to a really close length to this, so you can completely start it over and do everything right and see how that natural hair can actually be at its healthiest. Sound good?
Yes.
Awesome. You ready?
Yes.
You have awesome hair. We just need it all to show up for you.
And I'm just excited to see how it's going to grow in the next 6 months without all this extra baggage to it.
Part 2, the cut of Big Shop.
I'm trying to have people
see hair, so I'm just like, I've been curious.
Do is I'm gonna kind of, then we'll get it. Yeah, to like that she would be.
A lot of rough hairstylists, like even. So even.
Worried about it.
Oh yeah, I've seen myself now.
Here, that was this short. I kind of picked it up a little bit just to kind of get some ends off of there, but I just wanted to blend everything into where, if you decide you don't want to remain short, it'll grow out a lot more even, obviously.
Okay, so it's supposed to feel like this.
That is how it is supposed to feel.
Okay, so this is what soft feels for my hair.
That is what, for sure. And the thing is, we have a misconception in hair from all these goddamn Cantu commercials that healthy hair is, you know, you're gonna squeeze it and you're gonna get some water droplets out of it. And that's how hydrated it is. That is such bullshit. The healthiest hair in the whole world is in fact dry. So technically it's dead. But the problem is when it gets too dry and it loses too much of its natural elasticity, that's when we start getting breakage, and then there's too many different hair lengths going all at one time, so that creates knots, and then that creates more breakage, and then now we need all the cover-up stuff. So the idea is to not have that to begin with. But you're in a killer spot to start growing it out or keep it short.
The film you're about to see has no characters